Hi guys, this is just an add-on to the video just to share with you what happened to my trip to Mexico, and this is the part of the souvenir part. What I do after a trip, any kind of trip actually. So I collect souvenirs. I love cups, t-shirt, and what else? And little things. Of course, refrigerator magnet is my number one. I made a video out of the refrigerator magnet. And I forgot to tell you that I also collect the ships that I rode in the cruises. And this is one of them. This is Norwegian Star. Here we go. Yeah. But this one is only half because it's a ref magnet. I should have bought the one that's really, solid one, because it will be nice to be used as a Christmas ornament like this one. This is Norwegian Bliss. This one, oh, there you go. See? It's very, very nice as a Christmas ornament. I haven't used it. Maybe this coming Christmas, I'll help you also design my tree. And I'm going to include my ships. Another one is Norwegian Encore. Beautiful ship. Also has the go-kart on the top. Also have the, what else do they have? Like three pools. They have the, also the detailed of the of the slide on the side that goes out of the ship and comes back in. Yes. The other trip to Mexico was Carnival, I think, Panorama. This one here. Also a nice ship with all the amenities on the top. Yes. Very memorable. And of course, the last trip that I did last weekend will be Princess. First time to rode in the Princess, which is the Love Boat. Yeah, Love Boat, la 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 la. Yun yung Love Boat. In the 70s, I think, one of the best entertaining show naman. So this is one of the Love Boat is Discovery. So actually, I'm missing one of the ships that I rode to Mexico because I've been there for 6 times already, with stops at Ensenada, Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, and Puerto Vallarta. The first ship that I really rode was a Carnival, and I don't remember the name of the ship. I'm going to do a research and maybe buy it online if I can find it, so I can complete my 6 ships that I rode to Mexico. Beautiful ships actually, especially the Norwegian, the big ones, Encore and Bliss. They have a go-kart, and I have a video of that. Maybe I can share you in the future. And of course, as I said, one of my favorite souvenirs, besides the cap and this, besides the shirt, besides a cup, what is this? Oh, this is from Utah. Okay, I also collect cups. Is the refrigerator magnet. This is a Discovery Princess magnet. It's beautiful. I like it. How much is this? I don't remember. $10 or $6 or $8, but this is, I like it. So we're going to put it on my refrigerator, where I put all the travels that I did, and each travel is more or less represented by 1, 2, or 3 magnets. So let's go to the other side and go to the refrigerator and find a space for this one. Okay? Here we go, guys. Let's look at space for my Discovery Princess. So this is now how my refrigerator looks like for those who wasn't able to view it. So my ruling is I'm going to put a ref magnet that to a place that I've been to, or at least I had a short stopover at least. So at least I landed on that place. So let's see what I have. I have Taiwan and St. Beach, Florida, Hawaii, of course, Hawaii again, and Guam. This is just for 2 times of a stopover. We have Red Rock Canyon. This is San Antonio, Texas. We have, of course, my favorite, Boracay. We have Lake Tahoe, beautiful. Tampa, Florida. Of course, I went to Alaska. When was that? 2 years ago. Actually, this is Virginia City in North California. It's a beautiful western town, but very touristy. And of course, we went to Hawaii, of course, Florida forever. And these are the cable cars from San Francisco. Oh, this is a London can opener with the eye, with the phone booth, with a double deck buses, Big Ben. Okay, Florida, and this one. This one we went to New Mexico where the aliens are. Of course, Disney World. This is in Palm Spring, the aerial tram. Went to Japan for 5 days. Philippines, San Francisco again. And these are the Red Rock Canyons. I think this one is in Las Vegas. If you go to Las Vegas, go to this place. It's very beautiful. Red rocks all over. This is from Italy, in Venice. What is this one? Oh, Los Cabos, Mexico. Of course, we have the Puerto Vallarta, the Three Skulls, and this is lobster from Santa Barbara, California. This is from the Sea Caves in Northern California. We have Victoria in British Columbia. Where else did I go? What is this? Oh, hold on. Oh, Grand Canyon National Park. For me, this is the best place that I've been to from all over the world. This is from Verona, Italy. That's where the what do you call this? This is where the love story of Romeo and Juliet. I think that's the place, but I don't know. I think that's fictional. I don't think it's true. Of course, we have San Miguel. I went to the Louvre Museum with this one. I have a picture of the Mona Lisa. I also went to Batu Caves. That's in Malaysia. Gardens by the Bay. This is Singapore. I did this. When was that? Last year. London, 10 years ago. One of the best places I always like to go is 100 Islands. It's always not, recommended in the blogs. I don't know why, but I find it beautiful. So much Florida, huh? This is Mazatlan, Mexico, and this is the telephone booth souvenir from London. London again. Oh, there's a lot of Italy here. And, we have here Cambodia, Angkor Wat. I've been there with my friend, Sir Paul. Thailand, I've been there for 5 days only. What else? Mazatlan. This is my favorite girl, Frida. What else? The Louvre Museum, of course. Oh, this is different. This is Montezuma Castle. It is like a cavern where people live. It's on the side of a cliff. This is Laughlin, Nevada. And this is, I think, in Italy. Aloha, Hawaii. Where else do we go? Of course, Malaysia. I've been to the Twin Towers. Villa Escudero. I'll recommend it at least once. And of course, in Rome. Is this the Pope? Red Forest, of course, in Texas too. Red Forest, Northern California, beautiful place. Also, the Trees of Mystery, also in Northern California. Stop over only in Taiwan like 10 times. This one, I don't know where this is. Trying to remember. Where did I go for this one? Dubai, not yet, but it was given by a friend. So I'll bring this to Dubai if I go there. Cambodia, Angkor Wat, of course. New Mexico, where the aliens are. Of course, Paris, France. Is this the church? I think Notre Dame. Niagara Falls, beautiful place. The best honeymoon place in the world. Los Cabos, Mexico. Six Flags, of course. They have the best roller coasters in the world. Orlando. Vancouver, Stanley Park. It's like for the, what do you call this? For the tribes. This is in Peru. Another one in Peru. Seattle, Washington. Starbucks, hello. The Arches National Park and the Sunset Crater Volcano National Parks. I love national parks. Red Canyon, Grand Canyon, Bryce Canyon. Bumababa na tayo. Laughlin, Nevada, and this is one in Vietnam. I think I have another one in Vietnam. Nasaan na ba yun? Oh, here. Yeah. Never been to Vietnam yet, but I'm ready. Ready to go. And where is this? Santa Monica, of course. What else do we have here? I've been to the Bahamas also. And Singapore, of course. Singapore. I've been also to Mount Rushmore. This one, Machu Picchu, is my next destination in planning. I don't have time yet. Where is this? Oh, Fremont in Las Vegas, Lake Tahoe. There's a lot more here. Laughlin, of course, Vietnam again. Which one is Oregon? And this one is in Italy. Of course, Mammoth. I've been to Shanghai, but it was just a stopover. Oh, this one's beautiful. Hertz Castle in California, Florida, Texas. Oh, where's the other one? South Padre Island. Been there too. Oh, this is one of the most beautiful places in North California. The Multnomah Falls. It's so fairy tale looking. It's so enchanting. Ensenada, Mexico. Hello, the Pope is here. Where else? Chinatown in Los Angeles, where they do the footprint and the handprints. And of course, MGM Las Vegas. Went also again to Alaska, Big Bear, California. If I want to go see snow or feel the snow, I just go there. It's just about a 1 hour here from Riverside and 2 hours from Los Angeles. Went also to Yosemite. Went also to the Griffith Park in Los Angeles, of course. And what's this? Excalibur. And of course, we have a spot. Here you go, Discovery Princess. Okay. And there's more on the side. Grabe, di ba? Nasa side na talaga. This was in Hawaii, the USS Arizona Memorial. Ano pa ba? Oh, my God, Joshua Tree National Park. Very beautiful. It's just 1 hour from here. Of course, Cambodia, Angkor Wat, been there. One of the most beautiful places, Siem Reap, that I've been to with Sir Paul. Ano pa ba rito? May mga iba pa ba? Wala na. Alaska. 100 Islands, the same. To the other side, wala na, puno na. I need to buy a new refrigerator. Kakainis. Puno na. Mexico, Miami, San Diego, this is Seattle, Canada, and so on and so forth, Arizona. So, that's it, guys. Those are my souvenirs. What kind of souvenirs do you have? So, puno na ang aking ref.